Most people blame AI video platforms when their videos come out messy, chaotic, or just plain wrong. But the truth is shocking. The biggest problem is not the AI, it's the prompt you're giving it. Here's exactly what I mean. See that? Even with the best AI tools, you'll still get bad results if this one mistake isn't fixed. And today, I'll show you exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it in minutes. Welcome back to Learn with Emnet, the channel where we learn, create, and grow together. If you want to create AI-generated videos that actually look professional for short films, African folktales, animations, storytelling, or content creation, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Here's the number one reason most creators get bad AI video output. We copy prompts without understanding them. Most people grab a long prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into a video generator, and expect magic. But because we don't study our prompts, we don't realize the prompt might contain too many actions, too many moments, or even multiple scenes. So a prompt meant for 30 to 40 second sequence gets dumped into a platform that only generates 6 to 8 seconds. The result? A chaotic video where everything happens too fast, the character duplicates, or the AI just breaks down completely. Don't worry, I'll show you a live experiment and the solution. Other reasons AI videos look bad. 1. Weak or vague prompts. Writing something like "a man walking in a city" tells the AI nothing about style, mode, camera angle, or atmosphere. Solution: add details about style, environment, camera movement, lighting, and mood. 2. Low-resolution generation. Some platforms generate low-quality video by default. If you don't adjust the settings, your video will always look blurry. Solution: always check resolution settings or upscale after generating. 3. Mixing too many styles. Combining cartoon style, cinematic style, anime style, and realism in one prompt confuses the AI. Solution: stick to one visual style per project. 4. Expecting human-level complex motion. AI still struggles with realistic physics, complex actions, or multiple characters. Solution: keep movements simple, clean, and achievable. Remember, AI is powerful, but it's not human. Let's do a real example. There are many AI video platforms out there, but for today's demo, we'll use Grok AI. Just go to Grok AI, click on Imagine, and set your aspect ratio. Now here's a prompt with way too many actions for a 6-second video. I'll paste it in and hit Generate. You see the problem already? Here's what happened in the AI outputs. The actions were way too fast. The AI duplicated the woman. She was doing different actions at the same time, and some actions didn't show up at all. Why? Because the AI is trying to cram a whole movie into 6 seconds. Now watch what happens when we break it into smaller scenes instead. Scene 1, I'll go back to Imagine, paste this prompt. A woman enters a modern office room and glances around. Hit Generate, and there it is. Simple, clean, and it came out perfectly. Now before generating the next scene, here's the trick for perfect continuity. On web, play the video all the way to the last frame. Right-click, copy video frame, go back to Imagine and paste it. That becomes your reference image. On mobile, play the video to the last frame. Take a screenshot of the final frame. Upload that screenshot into Imagine as your reference image. Now I'll paste in my next prompt and hit Generate. And look at that. The next scene continues exactly where the previous one stopped. No weird changes, no character switching. Just smooth, natural storytelling. We repeat this process scene by scene. And here's the final result: beautiful, consistent, and professional. This method works for any project: African folktales, short AI films, storytelling, educational content, podcast visuals, and more. Key takeaways: always read and study your prompt before generating. Break long prompts into multiple short prompts, scene by scene. Add style, mood, lighting, and camera details. Keep expectations realistic. AI can't do everything. Use reference frames for continuity. Follow these steps and your AI videos will transform from messy experiments to studio quality clips. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. Please like and share this video so it can help other creators struggling with AI video generation. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.